Well, hello and welcome back. We are continuing working on our application conversion. Last time around, we were starting to fill out a form. We're working on some drop downs and some selects. We're going to continue that. So we're going to go check this one out here, that prior descriptions. I bet we do not have our options built out right. So if we go down to our prior descriptions, they're correct. We do not have that set up. So we've got our, everything's set up sort of, but we've got an option here. We just want to build a regular option, and then we want to come in and based off of description list, descriptions list, and then this one we don't even need the field because this is actually just going to be, I'll give it an ID. We're going to call it descriptions list because we probably need that somewhere. So we have an ID for it. We don't need form options. And so here we're going to have a description, and it's going to be probably, we can probably just let it be I and I bet. Let's go look at our descriptions list. If we go look here, in our Hello controller, if we look at descriptions list somewhere in here, descriptions list is description list, which comes from the DAO get passed. So if we go here, project DAO, get passed, and get past descriptions, it's just select description. So that's going to be a straight up text. Whoop. So that's easy enough to fix. Let's go ahead and get this earnings and agent cost thing here that we did not pick up last time. So these are going to be your standard TH values, which we just had some formatting around those. Where did those go? They're down here, aren't they? I keep going by them. Okay. Yeah, agent costs and earnings. There we go. So this, we're just going to come in, and this is going to be a div. And we're going to do a TH value. And we can probably pull that out completely and make that, let's do this. And let's do that for our div. And we're going to do the same thing for our, the other one. We're just going to change a couple values though, because now it's going to be, this is going to be our value. Let's see how that works for us. Div, there we go. So let's see if this works. And that should allow us to step into our next section of filling out, fixing another series of our little loop. And there we go. Look at that. We got a bunch of descriptions. Not sure why we have an equal, but that's okay. Then we come in here. Let's see. Those are not getting their values. So let's go check those again. Those are, oops. Yeah, because those need to be, instead of the TH value, that probably needs to be the star. I think that may get it for us. So if we do those as a star, then let's run those. And if we run that, and we come over here, oh, it blew up, didn't like that. Probably got something in there that is not right. Project cost cannot be found. Okay. So, what about project cost? Oh, I wonder if we sent that as a single value. So we probably did. Project cost is an object. So what we need, this is where we get a little bit, whoop, this is where it gets a little interesting because now if I can get that fixed back, there we go. So what we have here is project cost is actually not the same as this star project. So we almost need it, probably need it to be like this, is we need to say dollar project cost times, that should actually work. Let's do it this way. Let's just check this first. Let's do him like 3 times. And that'll just give us, so here, we'll put a little pipe between them. So if we do project cost here, and then we do project agent percent, let's see how that works. Let's see how those work. And we come over here. Probably still going to blow up, but at least we can see something maybe. Nope. And it is because, oh, because it's going to blow up there or not. Let's see. There's still more data in the expression. Oh, that's why. Let's do that. And then let's get rid of this one for now so that doesn't blow up. Oh, actually it'll be okay because we can put it there. So, okay. So we should be okay doing that. And if we run through here, we go to our project, boom, and we're getting nothing. So it's not coming across. So project cost, it doesn't like at all. Why doesn't it like that at all? Oh, I wonder if it is actually 0. If I go back, did it have it listed here? No. But that's probably because, let's see if we've got one. Here we go. Okay, so he has some stuff, but he does not have earnings nor agent costs. So that's not coming across, right? So let's go look at this. So what we had, project cost, and then the agent percent. And so agent percent is going to be, well, that should be, oh, it's, whoa, it's not TH, shoot, that's the problem. It's not TH value, it's TH text. Because we're in a div. That can cause some problems. So if we do that, let's just save it here as well, because this is actually just a straight, it's not really as much a form thing. So now let's look at it. Yeah, we'll just keep all of those 3 and then we'll clean it up in a minute. Clean it up next time around. Log in. And now we've got zeros coming across, which is what we wanted. So we're going to take these and get rid of those. And yeah, we'll do that. And then we've got a break, and then we have the agent cost. So we wanted that there. Okay. And then we've got its value. I don't think we need another break, do we? That seems like a lot. We'll see how that looks in a minute. So let's fix. So if we got those now, we got that, we've got our descriptions. Let's go down in here and look at our tasks and actually specifically our overhead requirements. Actually, probably both of them are broken. So let's look at our tasks first. And so we have an if. We're coming in here. We have an if. So let's take a look at that. We're going to copy that because we're basically going to rebuild that down here. So he's going to say select task, but he doesn't have any. But we do have apparently maybe some overhead requirements for this one. Well, let's see. Let me go look. Let's see if we have one. There we go. So this one does have tasks. So tasks is set up correctly. But of course, we're going to add some more here because this has got to do an on-click. So let's go ahead and get our overhead requirements, get that one fixed. And that is here. We can see that we've got our old nemesis, the C for each. So let's just take him. And it's going to be 21126, 21126. Oh, good. He is the same size. And here, he's instead going to be from list overhead. And we want him to be, let's see. Let's call him over. And so it's going to be, instead of select task, it's going to be select overhead. and it's going to be over.project ID most likely. Yes, project ID, but it also has over.id. Comma. Whoop, did I get that right? No. There we go. That over ID. And then. Whoop. Why is that? Oh, that's probably a typo up here. That's probably supposed to be a comma. That could cause us problems. And then here, let's see. So this is going to be, it's not going to be, it's going to be status. I'm sorry, over and over dot ID. Status is going to be great. We'll keep that. And then here, we're going to be, we're just going to take these and put those here. And those are going to be, let's see, get rid of that. And then these are each going to be, we're just going to do th text equals, and then throw it there, throw it there, close it. So we get to take that. We'll go up there. Over.description. There we go. Th text. This is. I'm going to do it that way. Yep. So that's going to be a div. Actually, no, we'll just go to this part. And that brings him across. And we're going to do that. We'll do it like that. So now there's the div. Close the div, 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 div. This one is, oh, I see why we had that before. Th text equals, quotes, and quotes. Close the div. There we go. And then this one's going to be, let's close that div there. And do the th text equals that. And close the parens, or the double parens, which I had. So that should cover it. And then at the bottom, we've got that, which we want to have a, get the footer in there. I think we just called it footer. Let's go check that real quick. So if we go look at basically any other page, oops, didn't want that. Let's just kill it. There we go. And then come in here. Let's make sure we got that right. We did. Okay. So now let's run this. See how we do. So I think we now have a working form to some extent. And now the next thing is going to be trying to change this. Let's pick this. Let's do this guy. He's probably got both. Okay, so he doesn't have that. But now let's go take one of these and let's see, because I bet we have to actually hook it up. So let's change this to a bit amount of, let's just say 500. And if we do save or update, then we've got an issue because we got an error. And that error is all the way up here. Project ID cannot be found on overhead. Okay. So somewhere in overhead, we had a project ID. Oh, here it is. We had a project ID, but it's project ID. Let's go look at our overheads. That's a user. Oh, it's in a model. We want overhead model. Let's do it over here so it's easier to see. Did we have a project ID? Whoop. We have a project ID, but it's with, I don't think it's going to like this. What's the capital I? Most likely. So let's try that. Is that right? Oh, here we go. Cannot render error page. Oh, as a response has already been committed. Let's double check, make sure I didn't run over that latest error. And okay, so I think that is it. So let's try that again. So I kind of like to send, so it's going to log me in. And if I come in here and I set a bit amount for 500, do a save, then I'm getting an issue, and it is not telling me what it is, because here, that save project, it's probably not even, if we go to hello, that's probably what we're going to do next is, go find, save. So it is not there. What is that saver update? That saver update was for register user. We need to have a save project. So next time around, that's what we're going to pick up. And we'll just pick up right where we left off. And we're going to actually get some forms saving finally and starting to get some actual CRUD, create, retrieve, update, delete kind of functionality into our app. As always, shoot any questions you have to info@developerpreneur.com. We're happy to help you out, point you in the right direction anywhere we need to, or if there's some additional stuff and some examples you'd like us to do, happy to do so. Until next time, go out there and have yourself a great day, a great week, and we'll see you next time.